Kit, what is it? What is it right here? Look. What is it? Is that your BarkBox? That box actually has a little bit of weight to it. Angie, would you do me a favor and open that up? Today, I'm going to show you what my puppy gets.
Hold on.
When he gets his BarkBox. I have no idea what's in there. And I'm going to give the first toy to him that we think he should have. We're going to see what he does with the first toy, and I'll show you the rest of it. And if I got time today, we have a pup box coming too. Correction, Chewy box. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay, what we got in there? Oh, a box in a box.
This is the actual BarkBox.
Oh, look at this. None of, oh my Lord. Let me put this over here for a second.
Okay.
None of these toys is going to last my puppy anymore. There's a ball in that one. Oh, I love this toy right here. These, now this will probably last him a little bit. This, he won't even play with that probably. But I guarantee this won't last that long. And this won't last that long. What we got in this one?
And these
oh
were
my
some
Lord.
extras.
This right here, holy smokes. It's missing a no.
That goes inside here and then he pulls it out.
It's an alien. Oh my God. It's an alien. And we have a tough chewer, which looks like a shoehorn. So which one should we give him, guys? I say this one first, Ange.
That one? Okay.
Okay, let me go ahead and take this off. And we'll see what he does with it. Now, we're only going to give him maybe one toy, maybe two. Depends how many he has coming on the Chewy box a day. But we're not going to give them all at one time because he's going to destroy these in moments. The ones she's getting ready to give to him, it can last every bit of a minute to an hour. I'll be surprised if it makes it through the next several hours. I am making mistakes on this video left and right. The Chewy box, oh, I didn't even have the camera right. The Chewy box, I was just notified, is his medicines for flea and tick and heartworms. And she said, we may have a toy in it, maybe. I was under the impression a toy might come. All right, guys, here we go. You ready, Kit? You ready? And yes, that is a sliding screen door, which was broken years ago. And that's what we use to keep him out of the kitchen. He can jump that because he did it once, but yeah, he hasn't done it since then. Okay, ready? Here you go. Get it! Okay. Here he goes. And the destroying starts now. I don't know, this might last a couple minutes. Uh-oh. Anything of fabric is what you want to play. Okay, anything of fabric doesn't last, guys. It just does not last. So I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, he's oh boy, there he goes. Surprised he hasn't tried to rip into it yet. He's just trying to see what's down inside that darn thing. There he goes, see? Here comes the ripping. Get real close and personal here. No, not yet. He started to rip on it. Because that's how we do it. And once he ripped a hole in it and starts getting the stuff inside out, then I have to throw it away. And by the way, as you see, if you guys follow my videos, I have a big hole right yonder there. So I'm going to have to keep something on it. He's also chewing on the blanket too. But here he goes. He's found the fabric. And there he goes. Here goes the ripping. Yep. Oh, I see what he's after. Here, Bubby. He's after, that's my fingers. He's after that right there. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I'll be back when he has it torn up. And I'll tell you how long it's been. It ain't gonna be long. It ain't gonna be long at all. What's the matter, little tough for you? Oh, he thinks he's gonna get another toy. Here's mommy. That makes a cute picture right there. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Well, no more than 3 minutes later, he broke the lid off. This little piece right here is inside. He's going to probably work on tearing this up first. Then he'll probably go to that. Then he'll work his way on that one. But yeah, it does not last long. And within that 3 minutes, my side of the recliner I sit on broke. Yeah, where it reclines out. This couch is not even, well, it's a year and a half old, right? And the part that reclines out, all from the chair to the couch, they all broke. So I was talking with Angie. I was like, instead of getting another couch, let's just get 2 more recliners. But we need money first. Okay, back to Kit. Tearing it up, ain't you, buddy, huh? I'll get right down there on this. Tearing it up. This dog in fabric. Oh, there you go. You're going to work on that now? Well, damn, it's already lasted about 7 minutes. Holy, 7 minutes. You're losing your touch, kid. Okay, we'll give it a little bit longer and see what happens. The next video you guys see, I hope it'll be an adventure. Oh, he's got a hole in that one. I think are working it out. Yeah. You guys would have had an adventure today, but I took a day off. I have fun without the cameras. Yeah. Sometimes I do that. Okay, on this part of the toy, as you can see, he's got this. Well, I've been doing this, God, forever. I'm going to cut this part off. Now, he'll still try to bite at this. Just give it a little bit more life. But what he would do with these is he'll shred them down. He'll swallow these. And that's what I don't want him doing. Here you go. Many hours later, guys. The toy you see me give Kit out of the BarkBox did not last. I gave him another toy. It did not last. I gave him the third toy. And it probably won't last through the night. But guess what showed up? The Chewy box did. Had his medication for flea and tick and heart. And it had a special toy in it. I figure I will give Kit some park time. Yeah, let him get some grass time, some park time. Then we'll go home. We got some work to do at home. But right now it's a beautiful day. And I will get back to the beautiful day before I close this video. Well, before I leave the park anyway. The special toy that I got that came in the Chewy box is, you guys are gonna have to wait till we get home and I'll show you. And I'll tell you the story about that. Then we'll close the video down. So right now, let me tell you what my plans are. Tomorrow's gonna be 66 degrees, not as warm as today, but still 66. And yes, the next 2 days after that, I won't be working, but the temperature is gonna be a little bit on the nippy side. So I'm trying to get a 3-day weekend. Yeah, as we speak right now, I'm trying to pull it off where I can get tomorrow off. And if I can, I'm going fishing. I usually don't like to make plans, but no matter what, I'm going fishing. And some chance the next 2 days, if it's warm, we're going to go fishing. But if not, we're going to have adventures. Yeah, so I'm working right now as we speak. I won't know anything until well after this video is done. Probably won't know anything until after I edit this video up, because I'm going to edit this up today. Oh, Pian, good boy. If I can pull the 3 days off. Hope so. Have not had a 3-day weekend, oh hell, since the last October. Alright guys, so I get home and show you the special toy. And the special toy is very special. You'll see why when we get home. Back 10 years ago when my dog Stormy, you guys, I don't know if you're new to my videos or not, but I had a dog before Kit. We lost my dog Stormy of February of last year. The very first toy she got, my dog Stormy, was this little bone right here. Little chew bone. My dog Stormy didn't really play with it a whole bunch. That's why it lasted 10 years. So when we got Kit, this is his first toy. We didn't throw this away. We gave a lot of Stormy's toys away, but a few of them we did not, and the few we didn't, they're put up. Kit will never have them, But we thought it'd be okay to give Kit this toy. As you can see, 3 days ago, this is what he did right here. He finally put his first hole in there. I had to take it away from Kit. As sentimental as this is, yeah, you probably wonder, why would you give it to your new dog? Because I can. And I wanted him to play with it. But once he's got a hole in something, nah. He'll work out until he has this thing in pieces. I probably won't ever throw this away because this was Stormy's first toy and was Kit's first toy. And it's the same toy. But once he put a hole in it, it was kind of sad. We went on Amazon and we got a new one. That's right. Maybe I could squeeze this into the thumbnail. Went on Amazon and got a new blue squeaky toy. The toy I just showed you used to be this color. Let me grab it. Yeah, it used to be this color. Turn this around if I can. There we go. Oh, sun's there. Let me turn around, guys. I had to sit backwards on the bench. But yeah, it used to be that color at one time. He won't get that probably till sometime this weekend. But he will get it. And let's just hope he don't destroy it. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. I want to... What are you doing? I want to make a video of Kit's BarkBox and his Chewy box. I thought it'd be a fun little video to do. Now, hopefully, with God willing, the next 3 days, I'm hoping it'll be nothing but adventures. Keep your fingers crossed. I hope I can do my first fishing trip with Kit. Till next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Hit that like button if you like today's video. And leave your comments down below. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.